Sagarika, seeing the poster of this movie and the promo so far, क्या expectations है?
Expectations तो बहुत सारे हैं because it's a Nagesh Kukunoor film, so very excited to see. And again, Shreya and Nagesh Kukunoor have come together again, so that's going to be exciting. And I think it's a very different concept, so looking forward to watching.
Comedy कितना enjoy करती है? Like?
I think comedy is obviously the element because they are different but yet same. So that is what we've come here to see. So.
Okay, when it comes to your love, or maybe in general, not necessarily in the present, what should be same, and what should actually be different?
I think everything should be different so that you get to know each other so well, and you get to see both sides of the personality. So
okay, as the film is all about the language barrier between two lovers, in case if it happens that the person you love does not understand your language, what's the best way to explain it?
I think love is there, so I think the language does not matter. But today knowledge has become so vast. I think you can learn everything so fast. So it doesn't really matter.
One last thing, in general, you're running to the Mumbai Marathon, right? How's the practice? What are you doing?
Not bad. Now I think tomorrow getting up in the morning is going to be a little difficult after the film, but it's going on. So let's see. Hoping for the best.
Thank you so much.
क्या कर रही